You need to watch this if you want a wild pet. These animals aren't as cuddly as you think. Here's why. Falcons, hawks, and eagles, those talons can slice fast. Large parrots like macaws, their nails and beaks pack a punch. Iguanas, their claws are like tiny daggers. Exotic cats, even declawed, their claws still mean business. Monitor lizards, their nails can shred skin. And cassowaries, their 5-inch claws are no joke. Myth, they're just cool pets. Reality, they can seriously hurt you if mishandled.